Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to go live on Tango app. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Tango app. Once you are on the home page of the app, you can see the floating camera button on the bottom center of the screen. Tap on that. The app will ask you for audio and picture permission. Tap while using this app button. Again, tap on while using this app button for the audio. Again, tap on allow to find and connect nearby devices. Now you are on the live page where you can adjust the setup for the live on the Tango app. Here you can explore various live features and make your live more lively and fun. By tapping on the top right icon, you can use different filter. You can use makeup, beauty filter and even mask. And the icon just below that is for sharing the live on various other platforms. After that, the gear icon is for the setting of the live. Also, you can adjust the duration of the live battle according to your preference. And the last icon is for the hashtag. You can use any hashtag that you like. Finally, you can add text for the live as you like. And tap on go live button just below. Wait for few seconds. Now you are successfully live on Tango app. You can adjust various settings here too. Explore the options you have. So this is it for the video. I hope this video was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.